How to turn on game mode on Windows 11. Hello and welcome back to DigiLive Trends. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on game mode on Windows 11. Enabling game mode in Windows 11 enhances gaming performance by prioritizing system resources for a smoother and more responsive gaming experience. So let's start the video. On your system, left-click on your Windows icon, and then click on Settings. In the Settings window, click on the Gaming tab, in the left side panel. A new window will appear. Now click on the Gaming Mode section on the right-hand side, so click on Gaming Mode. Now simply toggle the switch in the Game Mode section to turn it on, so click on it. You will see the switch turn blue, indicating that game mode is now active. This is how you can simply turn on game mode on Windows 11. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, please hit like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you soon in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.